In today's video, I'm going to be taste testing a new spicy arrabbiata I've never had before, along with the Cecco Penne Rigate, which I have reviewed on other taste testing videos. I still have some of it here, so I'm going to eat what I have. It's fine. I like the Cecco Penne. However, I like the pasta. Generally, I like my penne a bit smaller, more like pinette. However, that being said, the key thing that we're tasting here today is the arrabbiata sauce. Let me bring this up to the camera. Let's take a closer look at what we've got. This right here is our Muir Glen organic spicy arrabbiata. If it'll focus, there it is. No sugar added. We've got our calories, nutrition information here on the side. All of our ingredients right through here. They've got some ideas for recipes on the QR code. And as we spin around, this is all about California tomatoes, apparently. The sauce looks pretty good. We'll see if it's actually spicy. I mean, saying spicy arrabbiata is kind of like saying spicy, spicy. I don't know. But let's get to cooking. We'll try it and see how we like it. Wish me luck. So looking at the pasta sauce, I notice it's completely smooth. There's no chunks in it. I like that. That's promising. And coming over here to our boiling pasta, that's going to boil. The directions say 12 to 14 minutes. We're going to go just 12 minutes. I like it al dente. And here's what it looks like completely finished. And here I have it right here. So, will the Muir Glen be any good? One way to know for sure. Do I stall to wait for it to cool? Or do I try and attempt to eat this while it's fresh out and very hot? Well, you know I can't wait. So get that sauce mixed around here a little bit, and let's see what happens. That was a little bite because I'm afraid of burning the inside of my mouth from the heat. Um, I need more to decide. I'm on the fence. Now again, the Cecco Penne Rigate is fine. I like it. It's definitely not a number one favorite. I prefer the Barilla mini penne. However, it's not bad. Very, very acceptable. In fact, I think what a regular penne rigata should look like. It's almost ketchup, like a very mild ketchup, almost bland. I don't taste any spiciness whatsoever. Given it's got the name spice twice in the title, I expected it to have some noticeable spice of some kind. Tastes like a ketchup to me, like a milder ketchup. Definitely not a win in my book. So, for my own personal notes, I'll make a mental note not to buy that again. As for the Cecco, as I've already said, I can take it or leave it. It's not my favorite, but I wouldn't turn it away if it was offered. It's a good pasta. And we'll move on with other reviews of other arrabbiata sauces and other pastas and pennes, spaghettis here on the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.